Here we are again at Traders Village on 2/22/22 on a fine Texas evening, Grand Prairie, Texas. This is the Prairie Screamer roller coaster, formerly the Scandia Screamer, from Scandia Amusement Park in Ontario, California. It has been purchased and relocated to Prairie Playland here at Traders Village, the world's largest flea market, and it is being rebuilt, entirely stripped and inspected and repainted a beautiful green and white. Last week it stopped right there at the top of the rise into the second turn. In 1 week, they have completed that turn and installed the second drop. That is the second drop, as I've already said, and it looks wonderful. That's an airtime hill in the back seat, from what I understand. This whole thing has gotten me incredibly excited, as you might be able to tell in my previous videos. Again, I will link Canopy Coaster's wonderful video of what Scandia Screamer was like in California and what it's going to be like here at Traders Village. It's going to be an awesome ride with ejector airtime and intense laterals on very tight hairpin turns. The ride gets better as it goes on from beginning to end. They have laid out the track pieces. I'm sure that these will be the next to be installed. Again, the ride sits on top of these 4-foot tall footers, which makes the whole thing really appear a lot bigger than it is. You can see Traders Village lookout tower. Looks like a miniature oil derrick, like the oil derrick from Six Flags, but smaller. Those are the stairs that will go up the lift hill to enable maintenance to walk up the lift hill and do their work. One other thing I'm going to show you. That's where they stop. The approach to the lift hill has also been installed, as you can see. Let's go back here. 180-degree turn out of the station, which is over there. Up the lift hill. I believe the ride is 88 feet tall, close to 90 feet. Of course, 88 is close to 90. Around a 180-degree turn, down the first drop, bottoming out, going up. Airtime in the front right there. Around turn number 2, down the second drop, etc. That's the gearbox that receives the chain that pulls the train up to the top of the lift hill. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Or show. There's an electrical box. That's not very interesting. So, here are the horizontal supports for one of the lower turns. Starting there and going around. These turns are very tight, and according to people who have ridden this in California, they've got incredible laterals. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna stop there with a great view of the first drop and the bottom of the second drop. All right, see you next week.